Hello again, guys. Today is Thursday, April the 2nd, our first week, and we're still working with math. So, everything that I'm doing, like I stated before, it is in your packet. And if there's a sheet or something missing, don't sweat it. Just work what is there. We will catch up and do what needs to be done when we return, okay? All right. So, on page 161, 8 as a divisor, okay? So, at the top, we have a picture of these little tubs of strawberries, okay? We have 16 quarts. We have to understand how many quarts are in a peck, okay? And then you take it and, like we did before, to find which multiplication function we use to find this answer. So at the top, if you have 16 quarts equals how many pecks, and it equals, and you have these baskets here, and then off to the side it has one peck. Then underneath it, it has peck equals blank pecks. So you have to change the quarts into pecks. If you're going from quarts to pecks, you're going from smaller to larger. And if you're going from smaller to larger, you know we have to divide, right? Because we just worked several of these problems. So after figuring out which mathematical function we have to use, and we know that it's division, we first have to find out how many pecks are in a quart. How many pecks in a quart? 2. That's our special number. Remember the word previously? It had pecks to bushels to pegs, hours to days, minutes to seconds, and we have to convert those by knowing that formula. Okay, our special number, since we know we have to divide, our special number is 2. Since we have to divide, our equation would read 16 divided by 8, and it would be 2. So 2 pecks would equal 2 pecks, because you had just broken down what 16 quarts equal, because you had to divide. And 2 divided by 16 is 8, right? Very good. Okay, now coming down to the class practice, let's start working. Number 1, write the quotients. See, they're using the words. We have to write the quotients. And we know that the quotients are the answers when you divide, right? Right. So, they have 8 divided by 8. If you have any number divided by itself, your answer will be what? 1. Any number divided by itself would be 1. And 1 multiplied by any number, you will get what? That same number back. Okay? So, and for B, it states 16 divided by 8. 16 divided by 8 is just like saying, what times 8 will give me 16? And we automatically know there's no other number but 2. Right? Absolutely. Okay, number 2, solve the story problems. Remember, clue words for the story problems. Okay? Joshua received $20 for his birthday. With money, he bought 3 shirts on sale for $6.25 for each shirt. How much money does he have left? So first, Joshua received $20 for his birthday. With his money, he bought 3 shirts on sale for $6.25. So if each shirt was $6.25, you take that, you multiply it by 3, and you should come up with $18.75. Okay, now the second part to that question is how much money does he have left from his $20? So you take that total amount, $18.75, you subtract it from 20, And your answer should be $1.25. I didn't work it because I didn't feel like I needed to work it, because you guys are so good at math. Okay, you are exceptional in math. When you apply yourself and you focus, I'm telling you, it makes me proud. Okay, number 3, work carefully, which we have more conversion, cups to pints, which you all can do. You also have a review, which is number 4, which is you add and check. You know how we did when we added? This word 1. Okay? We have $52.09 plus $67.31. Notice I'm not putting my dollar signs because we don't need them. We know that it's money because we had the first dollar sign. And then $15.82. Now, when we add all of this together, we should come up with $135.22. Now, for us to add, to check this, we add it down to get this amount of money, right? All we have to do, we add it down to get this. All we have to do is add up to see if we get the same thing. And when we add up, we still should come up with $135.22. Cool, isn't it? That's what we should come up with. Okay? Now, we're moving to page 162. Divide and check. No problem. We did problems with zeros, and they are single-digit divisors. You check it. If you have a remainder, you know you add your remainder. Okay? And number 6, because this is a review. The review, you know, I usually send you guys to the board to work these when it's a review. Okay? Same steps, same process. Don't forget the 5 steps to division. Number 6, subtracting check. When we subtract and check, here's one of your nemesis. We have 6,000. Minus 3284. Minus 3284. You know, all of these zeros, you cannot take a whole number from 0, so you have to come all the way to the thousands, right? Change this 6 to a 5. This 10 you added to this 1 you added to the 0 to make it 10, which is a 9. So you have to borrow 1, make that 10. That 0 a 10, take 1 from it, make it a 9. And one more. When you borrow from this 10, you made that 0 a 10, and that's it. Do not take and try to borrow from this 10 because there's no other numbers after that. Now you can subtract. 4 from 10 is 6, 8 from 9 is 1, 2 from 9 is 7, and 3 from 5 is 2. Your answer should be 2,716. Okay? Which it is, and what you do, you take these 2 numbers right here. It's no longer subtracting because you're adding. You will add these 2 numbers right here, and you should get 6,000. 6 plus 4 is 10, 0 carried 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10, 0 carried 1. 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 0 carried 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at that. You got it back. There you go. Very good. And work quickly. 12 cups equal how many pints? Automatically, you should know that would be 6. Okay? 12 cups equals 6 pints. You set up your steps. 1, 2, 3. And then you just go from there to find out how you really have to work this problem, okay? And then you find out which is division, your special number, and then your equation, okay, which will be 12 divided by 2, which will give you 6. So your special number in this case right here has to be that 2, okay? That's 12 cups equals blank pints. Don't forget your period because we abbreviated, okay? And number 8, find the product, which all you're doing is multiplying, and solve and check these equations. To solve and check any of these equations, here is still an algebraic, equation, and you just set it up like 9 plus 6 equals 9 times 7. Solve for that variable. Once you find what that variable is, plug it in, rewrite the equation, and everything should check out. Guys, I'm telling you, it is no problem with what you have to do here, okay? Take your time, sit back and relax, pick a time of the day that's refreshing and good for you all, and just do your work. I really miss you guys, and take care, okay? See you next time.